Hey friends, welcome to Dada's kitchen. I am back with yet another recipe called Mutton Biryani. This is a special dish which is prepared across India, and I thought why not come up with a simple recipe for all you friends out there. Please, let's look at the ingredients. So friends, to start making this biryani, I am taking some basmati rice and I am soaking it in water for 30 minutes. I am also taking some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, some onion, some ginger garlic, some green chilies, some tomatoes. I am also taking some Indian spices like chicken masala, some turmeric, some red chili, salt and some biryani masala. Here I have taken rose water. This will give flavor to the biryani, and some food color for a coloring effect to the biryani. So friends, here I'm also taking some potatoes, some mutton and some curd for this particular recipe. Now let's dive down into the marination process. To marinate, I have taken some onion. I have sliced them long, and now I'm going to deep fry them in a pan. I'm going to fry them till they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, I'm going to cool them and then going to grind them into a fine paste. I'm also going to take some green chilies, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, ginger garlic and make a fine paste of that so that it can be used in the biryani marination. Friends, here you go. Now that my masala is pasted, I'm going to put it back into the mutton and going to marinate it. I'm also going to add some chili powder. I'm going to add some turmeric powder, some biryani masala and 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. I'm going to keep it for about 30 minutes for this particular cooking. Ideally, I would recommend this masala to be kept overnight so that the marination goes deep well and you have the aroma of this particular biryani just coming out in the room. And trust me, the longer you keep, the better it is for this particular recipe. So friends, while my mutton is getting marinated, I am going to deep fry the potatoes, which will be used as a topping for this particular biryani. So friends, now that it's been more than an hour and my potato has also deep fried, I'm going to cook the mutton. I have taken a cooker and I'm adding back the mutton back into the cooker and going to fry it for about 5 minutes so that the masala releases its oil. And once I find that the masala is releasing its oil, I'm going to put some water and cook this in a low flame for about 3 whistles, and that would be the end of stage 1 process. So friends, I hope you liked something from my recipe today. If you want to know more about different recipes that we cook, please go and check our YouTube channel. We really work hard to make sure that our guests or subscribers, our viewers like and learn something new. We also have an objective in mind, just not about cooking. We want to help the underprivileged in the society, and we're just taking a small step towards that. I know it's a long journey, but I'm very sure it's going to help me reach there, and you guys can support me. Please help us subscribe and please share our videos to your friends, to your families, and please subscribe in our YouTube channel. We are also available on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and look forward to seeing you over there in those social media channels. We thank you once again and we love you guys. So friends, while we wait for our mutton to be cooked, let's prepare the basmati rice. To prepare the basmati rice, I have taken 3 glasses of water. I have added some salt. Now I'm going to add some Indian khada masala like some bay leaves, some star anise, some cinnamon stick, some black pepper, some cloves, some cumin seeds. I'm also going to add some ghee and lime juice. This will ensure that the rice doesn't stick and come out long and thin. These khada masalas actually give the real fragrance to your rice, and you really get the real basmati fragrance when you cook it like this. Please boil the water, and once you see that the water is boiling, add the soaked rice back in this water and let it cook till 80%. cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and when you see that the rice is breaking into two halves, remove it from the gas, strain out the rice, and here you go, your basmati rice is ready for this particular step. So friends, here we go. Now that our mutton is cooked and our rice is also boiled, now let's move into the third step where we need to create layers for this basmati rice and give a dum style effect. So friends, now that my mutton and my rice is cooked, let's prepare the biryani effect. To prepare the dum style biryani effect, I've taken a pan and I've added some oil or butter. Once my oil or butter is heated up, I'm going to make layers of rice and mutton, and this will be an ongoing step. So I'll first put rice, then I will add some gravy and some mutton on it. Then I will be adding a little bit of rose water, some shallots or fried onions, some coriander leaves, and then going to top it up with rice again. I will follow the same step again till I reach the last layer. Once I reach the last layer, I'm going to put the fried potatoes which I have prepared in my previous step, and then put it into a silver foil and give it a dum style effect. Ideally, I would cook this recipe or this particular biryani in a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes in a very low flame, so that I get the real flavor. The masalas and the rice goes inside, talks to each other, and you really get the flavor when you actually open up this. Here I'm adding some rose water and I'm also adding some food color. This is optional, but trust me, when you add the food color and the rose water, it gives a real good flavor. Your biryani comes out very nice, and I'm sure your guest is going to like it. So friends, a small request. When you're making the layers, make sure that you do not push the rice too much with the mutton. Just make it gently flow on the mutton and let it settle down. Try to push around the rice evenly across the vessel so that your rice and your mutton get enough space to cook, and do not put pressure. Once you make your layers, just spray some food color, some rose water. That would give a real fragrance to your rice. Cover it with a silver foil and cook it in a very low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that the flame is very low, otherwise your masala will get burnt. So you may also keep a tawa on your gas flame, and then keep this vessel on top of it, and then cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Trust me guys, when you do this, the real flavor, the masalas and the fragrance inside the dum style effect comes out really nice. Your guests are going to love it. I'm sure you will love it too. Please try this recipe at home and let us know how was it, and give us your comments, your feedback. We really work hard to come up with these simple recipes. I know I'm making this recipe especially for the dads or for amateurs who are fresh, who don't know about cooking, and I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. If I can cook, friends, you can cook. Please enjoy. So friends, here you go. This is an amazing, outstanding biryani which is fabulous. Your family is just going to love it. Look at the fragrance, look at the color, the aura. It comes out really nice. Believe me friends, this is as good as if you're going and buying it from a restaurant and eating. This is as yummy as possible and very healthy. And trust me, the meat was tender, the rice was superb, the rice was not overcooked, it was at the right taste, the right mixture, the masalas were perfectly cooked, and they looked really nice. Look at the potatoes also came out very nice. They are orangish, and I'm sure your guests are going to love it guys. Please try this recipe at home. If you liked our video today, please give a big thumbs up. Do give us your comments, subscribe, and help us motivate. You work really hard. The objective of Dada's Kitchen is to help the underprivileged, and we are just doing a small part. We are trying to build up a huge customer base so that we can reach that level and try to help the underprivileged in the society. And with that note, I would really like to thank you for watching us, giving us your time, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Take care and be safe. Goodbye.